Fishing with John and Tim.
Lake of the Woods! Sun's going down on me. I'm walking into 4 Mile Bay here. Well, no luck on night 1, but I'm gonna head back, try not to get hit by a snowmobile. Oh, just a little guy. I think it's time to put on a bigger lure. We are at Lake of the Woods. 3 babies so far on the day. We're in 25 feet of water. So I was walking out here and one of the dudes working these guided shacks stopped in his geo tracker and let me hop in the trailer. Woo! Dropping my turkey sandwich. Coffin spoon, they call it like buckshot. There's like a little rattle in there. Okay, we're getting into them. Not very big, but it's a fish, right? Oh, he crawled out of the hole. All right, we're gonna let him go. Number 5 on the day. Got a fish here. Fish on. Glow in the dark jig, fathead minnow. I'm gonna let him go. Man, this thing's just crushing. Instead of doing just the minnow head, I'm doing like half the body on this fathead. Maybe just a little bigger size to attract a bigger fish. Okay, we got another one. You can't complain about catching fish.
No, though, that ain't bad in the middle of the day.
Yeah, true.
Auger and the rod and...
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So I'm like, where in the hell that shit come from? Right on, I seen you fighting that one, so I had to turn over and see what it was.
Absolutely.
Yeah. All right, good luck.
Thank you. Number 8. Who do we appreciate? What the hell? Well, I missed one over here, I tell you that much. We're in 27 feet of water, just out from the mouth of the Rainy River. And they're driving the geo trackers out here now, which is like a little 2,000-pound 4-wheel drive car. And I saw one 90s Jeep Wrangler out here, and those were like 3,000 pounds. But like my Jeep is 4,000 pounds, so I didn't risk it. There's 9 inches of ice here. I'm gonna change it up to try to get something a little bigger. Ooh. Game on, let's go. Oh, lost him, saw him, he wasn't very big. I threw on this jigging wrap, put a little fat head in the back. Coming back for more. Nope, lost him. Is he locked up? Oh, Oh, we found the walleye. Really small. Ooh, we got a double. We got a double. No. Number 9, Mr. Walleye. That's the smallest walleye I've ever seen. Oh! Shoot! Oh, okay. Oh, shit. This one's aggressive. Oh, hooked him on the top of the head. He's not that aggressive. Oh, yep. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I gotta tighten my drag. There we go. Let's go. Little fella. There we go. Probably about a 12-incher. I'll let him go. Oh, yeah, that's a nice one.
Be my lip, summer sand and strawberry milkshake.
Well, it's time to head in, but we got a few nice eaters we can fry up. All right, it's 5:15. I'm gonna start the hike back. Got my double headlamp on so I don't get hit by a snowmobiler. Just gas some gummy worms and gonna start walking. It is time. Fish tacos. Put a couple fillets in with egg white. Add a little sauce. Crunched up cornflakes. Mama's secret recipe. Then we're gonna make a little salsa. We have some grape tomatoes. Can of corn, I'll be fine. Aleppo, yes. More like fuego. Then we can just warm up that tortilla in the greasy pan. Fish tacos. Fire. So I'm camping just outside of Baudette, Minnesota. On the walk in, a 4-wheeler dude picked me up. I rode in the back seat and he stood up. It's like brothers. I think he had a couple bevies. He was like, if you're here tomorrow morning bright and early, I'll give you a ride out. It's getting down to about 22 tonight. I'm camping in the back of my Jeep Liberty. And my front seat folds down into like a, or my passenger seat falls down into like a table. As you can see, I use it as a trash pile. Okay, a couple bones. We all make mistakes. Nothing like eating fish a couple hours after you caught it. The Lord provides. I cannot wait to change these socks. I'm gonna do it right now. This is gonna be life-changing. Oh, my foot is frozen. I washed my face in the Holiday gas station and that also felt like I was, oh my goodness, a new man. Oh, these puppies are wet. Nice to just get away from it all and get to a place where all that matters is having dry feet. As you were saying?